Hi guys, so pauwi pa lang kami sa Zamboanga. So, nandito kami sa airport. So, mamaya na po ako magbablog kung nasa airplane na ako. Kayo po, goodbye. See you later. Malapit na guys, kasi tingnan nyo. So, ayan, kasi malapit na. Ayan. Eto mami ko. Mami, hi ka. Daddy, hi ka. Yan, nandyan pa diretso. Doon pa diretso. Yun, doon kami dadaan ngayon.
Sa Lipatia bilang 585, patungong mga Cebu.
So, mamaya ako magbablog pag nasa mamaya ako magbablog pag nasa tawag ko sa airplane. So, bye. Delayed pa daw ang airplane, guys. So, mamaya na, sabi ko mamaya na pagkatapos. Lapit na ko. So, mamaya na ako magbablog pag nasa airplane na ako. So, back again. So, mamaya na.
Unauthorized removal of life vests from the aircraft constitutes theft and is punishable by law. In case of rapid change in cabin pressure, oxygen masks will automatically drop from the compartments above you. Immediately grab the mask and pull it towards you. Put it over your nose and mouth. Pull elastic bands sideways for snug fit and breathe normally. Put your own mask first before assisting others. Keep it on until you are advised to remove it. In case of emergency evacuation, follow the lights that will lead you to the exits. For further information, please refer to the passenger briefing card found in your seat pocket. This aircraft is equipped with emergency exit signs found in the cabin. The location of the nearest exit may be behind you. Each cabin door is equipped with a slide raft. In any eventuality, guests must leave their bags and immediately proceed to the usable exits. There are also fire extinguishers in the cabin. Operation of the device is indicated on the equipment itself.
Kamu ka ba? Cebu Pacific. Inom muna ako. Mamaya na lang. Taxi, take off, low, landing. Katitran ko. Katitran ko. So, ngayon lang may kukwento ko sa uwi na kayo sa buwan ko. Oops. Oops, oops, oops. Hindi siya Amerika. Puta yun. Check sa akin.
Ladies and gentlemen, please be advised that the use of power banks during the flight is strictly prohibited. Power banks must remain switched off and should not be connected to any device while on board. Additionally, please ensure that your power bank is individually packed and
dito na kami, pataas na kami. Pataas pa lang. Pag nasa taas na kami, ngayon ko pa ipapakita. Ayan, sa baba pa kami. Mamaya ko na ipapakita kapag nasa up-down kami. Sa taas na kami. So, parang nandun sa cloud. So, tara na. So, tingnan nyo guys. Ayoko magpahawak pero magpahawak. So, ayan, brave ako. Kahit bata pa ako, kahit 6 years old pa lang ako, brave ako. Ayoko na mag-vlog.